Hi. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I'd like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have a little haul I've got some Ulta things I got at the 21-day sale, spring sale. And then I have a couple things from Amazon. So I'm just going to show you my little beauty finds. And so let's just get started. Okay, friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support so much. If you want to support my channel, you can hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment. All those things are so appreciated, so thank you. And I don't know how this video is going to turn out. My lighting is messed up today, so I think I have to get some new equipment. But anyway, we're going to go with it and hope it's okay. So the first thing I'm pulling out here that I got, let's see where I am here. I have, I like the Stila Stay All Day Smudge and Set Waterproof Gel Eyeliner. So I haven't tried the gel. I like their other ones, but this has like a precision point. I really wanted to try this, so I think I'm going to really like it. So it's normally $18. I got it 50% off, so I got it for, actually it's normally $23, so I got it for $11.50. So there's that. And the next thing I have here that I got, we're starting to see a lot more of Morphe again. Maybe they're having a comeback, but anyway, so I got this palette from Morphe, and it was on sale, so I took advantage of it. It was normally, I think it was $20, and I didn't get that much off. I got $3.50 off, but anyway, it was $16.50. But here it's called the Nude Ambition, and it just looks like a really good nude palette. So here's what it looks like inside. It came with a thing showing how to kind of do your eyes, and what was kind of cool about this is that they show you looks, but they kind of did it so that each row can be a look of some sorts. I probably won't do it that way. I like to mix up my colors a little bit more than that. But anyway, this is just a really nice neutral nude palette. We're going to see how, I don't know how their formulas are going to work exactly, but let's see here. These are some of the shimmers. Right here, if you see them on my hand, right here. They didn't come out real defined. Here's looks like some of their matte colors up on top are going to be a little bit more stronger. There they are. So there's that. I don't think I went hard enough on the others, but anyway. So I'm excited to try this. We'll see how it goes. It's kind of fun to get a couple of some ideas of how you can do your eye looks. So anyway, that was the second thing I got. And looking for this. So next I have here, I just been looking for this whenever they have these on sale. I got the limited edition perfume mist discovery set. It's got 4 of the newest from Sol de Janeiro. It's a limited edition, and there we go. It has number 62, number 67, number 40, and number 48, I believe. So kind of 2 yellows, 2 pinks. Anyway, so I'm excited to try these, so that's fun. And these also make a really good gift. These boxes are so cute. These stand out 3D, so it actually looks like, the actual perfume's right there. But anyway, they're inside. Let's see what it looks like in here. So there we go. There's our set. So I'm excited about those. I like to keep those in my purse. They're just the small ones and they're kind of nice to have. So the next thing I got from Ulta was, this was on sale. This was their, it says it's called Pretty and Petite, and it's Sparkle Ever After All Over Glitter, and it's $9. And the color was Iridescent Angel. And I just thought, I don't know why, but sometimes glitter's fun. So it's just a little tube. I'm not, okay, I'm gonna have to open this. Sometimes I like to put a little glitter on my chest, or it depends where, if I'm going out or what I'm wearing with it. But, or even, I might want to try it like even kind of with like a highlighter, or I don't know, just thought it'd be fun. So it was 50% off, so I thought, why not try it? Okay, so, okay. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. It's just kind of an iridescent sparkle. It's really pretty. Just pretty on my hand. When you rub it in, I don't know if you can see, it just got kind of a sparkle. Anyway, so that's kind of fun. There's a little bit more coming out, so I'm going to put it on here. There's a clump of it right there, and then just going to spread it all out here. You see that? How pretty is that? Okay, I'm kind of excited I got this. It doesn't feel sticky or anything. It feels really good. So anyway, that's my other item. So basically just got 4 items from Ulta. And then I have a couple items in here from Amazon, which I will link to in my comments. This is something I've really wanted to try. The julep. Well, first of all, I've got the, open this here. This is the Catrice Under Eye Brightener, and it's kind of a pinkish color, and I just kind of wanted to try this. So just under the eyes, there is some Catrice products like this. It's an inexpensive brand, but they carry, it's kind of like e.l.f. in a way. They carry some really good products for a good price. So there's that under eye brightener. I'm kind of into doing more with my under eyes. So anyway, we'll see how that works. And then the next thing I have from Julep, and this says skip the brush. It's 3 sticks. You've got your highlighter, bronze, and blush. And I'm kind of excited. I really like sticks. So here they are, and I'm going to sample them. I just love that it's kind of a set you can take. They're not real big, so they're probably okay to travel with. Let's see here. So I'm going to go with my bronzer first. No, wait, this is the highlighter. I'm going to do that last. I'm going to go with the bronzer. This is how I do my makeup anyway. I do bronzer first. And so let's go a line here. There's the bronzer. The blush right here. And there's the blush. And the highlighter. I love these colors. These colors are really pretty. So there's the highlighter. It's not as profound as I like. I'm going to kind of blend it with a blusher kind of together. So there's that. So anyway, these are fun. So like I said, I picked them up on Amazon. I will have the link below. Okay, so this was $6, the under eye brightener from Catrice. And then the Julep, it was a little bit pricey. I paid $39. It says $39.49 for 3. I figured they're about $10 each, which you can also buy them on the same link. You can buy them as separate colors individually. I just thought, I think the individual colors are, gosh, they're like $18, $16 to $18 to buy them individually when you can get a set for $39.49. This is a really good brand. I love these. I'm really excited about them. It's just, you know, face contours and face products are some of my favorites. So anyway, I'm happy with that purchase. So go check that out. And I guess that's it for my little haul from Ulta and Amazon. So let me know what you think. Are there any products you like? My hand is so glittery. I don't know if you could see it on here, but it is like, I can see the glitters from back here. Anyway, so it was fun. So thanks for being here. I appreciate your support so much. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.